Hey guys, Tony here. So a lot of you have been asking me about JUMIA and that they're the next Amazon for Africa and all this other stuff. I don't like JUMIA, right? And there's one simple fact, and I think I answered it like one time on the comments. The one reason I don't like JUMIA is because Africa doesn't have addresses. Africa is a third world country. It's not like the U.S. It's not like UK. It's not like Canada. It's not like big parts of China. Africa does not have, for the simple fact that Africa does not have addresses. They have no addresses. The majority of Africa is a third world country. I mean, you guys can go to North Africa or certain parts, but until Africa as a whole starts to actually even put addresses on the streets, I don't see JUMIA really taking off anywhere. I mean, you guys can say that, it ran up a whole bunch. Recently, it's all hype. The only reason JUMIA has been running up is because of hype. It's already hit, its peak at 37. It didn't even break former of $40, but honestly, I don't like JUMIA. I would rather put my money into Amazon or eBay or something else, Shopify, big commerce. As far as JUMIA goes, don't ask me about it because my answer is going to be the same thing. Until Africa actually has physical addresses on their streets, there's no reason to me to play JUMIA or put any money into this.